No, you gotta do yourself. No, it's backstage. Go get your tap shoes on. Are you taking a picture or video?
Video.
Video? So should I talk to the camera?
Talk in the mirror.
Talk to the mirror? Oh, look at that. You probably see two of me, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Talk in the mirror.
Well, we just saw Julia in her first ballet dance recital. And next, they're apparently doing a set change and putting on their tap shoes. We should hear from James for more. Here, James, tell us about what's going on. Oh. Talk to the mirror?
Yeah.
Tell us about the tap number, Lynn. I don't know what's going to happen with the tap number, but there might be teddy bears.
Yes, they have lots of teddy bear dances.
Lots of teddy bear dances. Okay, now let's hear from James. Oh, there you go. You can film yourself.